Well, I don't know about you, but I am a fan of cinnamon rolls, and we have a recipe that we want to share with you now. Joining me now again is Sharon Portenier with Common Ground. Sharon, what do you have for us?
Well, it's just a little bit of a twist on cinnamon rolls, and it's a very easy recipe. And I have found out that our family loves them. So you take 2 cans of canned cinnamon rolls. So there are 8 cinnamon rolls in the can, and I place them. There's a cinnamon side and a plain side, and I place them cinnamon side down. And then for a 9 by 13 pan, it calls for 2 cups of either half and half or whipping cream. And I happen to be using half and half today. So you just pour that over the cinnamon rolls. It says so that it comes about halfway up on the rolls. And then I mixed my brown sugar, my cinnamon, and I didn't put in as much salt as the recipe called for. I thought a teaspoon of salt seemed like an awful lot. So I kind of cut that back. And then you just sprinkle that over the top of the cinnamon rolls. And then we have a stick of melted butter for a 9 by 13 pan. So we'll just kind of spread it over the tops of the rolls. And this is kind of what it's going, I don't know if you can see for sure what it's going to look like in the pan. And then you bake them for about 20-25 minutes. You want to watch them close because, oh goodness, we don't want to burn them. I usually make them in a 9 by 13 pan. While making them in a smaller pan, they did boil over in my oven. So you might want to put a piece of tin foil or a cake pan or something underneath them so that you don't have to clean your oven. So this is what they will look like then. But it just gives a little pizzazz to the canned cinnamon rolls. People might think that you really did something to bake these rolls when really they're very simple.